Hi, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new, I'm Taryn and I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe. This video is my updated morning skincare routine. I recently saw a new dermatologist and of course my skincare regimen has changed since then. So here we go. Of course, your morning routine starts off with you brushing your teeth. I like to especially brush my teeth before I start my skincare routine. So when I do go to wash my face, I don't have any toothpaste on my face or any of that residue on my face at all. I'm gonna start off my morning skincare routine with this Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. And I will be doing a review of this face wash on my channel, so subscribe and be on the lookout for that. So this is for normal to dry skin, and I'm just going to use this to wash off my face from last night. So something new to my skincare routine is the Clindamycin and Benzoyl Peroxide topical gel. So before I was washing my face with a benzoyl peroxide face wash, and then I would apply clindamycin to my face afterwards. My new dermatologist prescribed me this, and of course the same with applying benzoyl peroxide. You want to make sure this is completely dry before putting on your clothes, because you don't want it to bleach your clothing. So this is my first time using this, and I can't wait to try this out together. My dermatologist said that it would do better together. So I'm just gonna, my hands are clean, so this is in a jar. So make sure that your hands, your fingers, your fingernails are all clean before touching this, because you do not want cross-contamination. I also have these plastic applicators, so I'm actually gonna use that in order to take some off, just the top, since there's some product on the top right here. And I'm just gonna put this on my face and then just smooth it around. As you can see, I have some breakouts going on. One just popped up, I believe, overnight underneath my chin. One is on my cheek, it's where I usually break out. I just washed my pillowcases, so I don't think it's that. I might have been resting my face on my hand at work, and that might be where that came from. So that product did not apply as smooth as the Tretinoin that I just did in my nighttime updated skincare routine. And it is a little stiff, but I don't mind that. But I am going to make sure I wash my hands, because we don't want to bleach any clothes around here. So after that has settled, I'm just going to use my Black Girl Sunscreen SPF 50 for kids, which I recently did a video on reviewing and demoing this sunscreen on my channel, so be sure to check that out as well. We have all the great skincare videos on the channel, and I cannot wait to add more. So I just take a good amount and spread it all over my face, put some on my neck, my back, my ears, and then of course I have more sunscreen that I'll spread to like down to my chest and over more of my body. But of course, since we did put the clindamycin and benzoyl peroxide underneath that, you of course are going to wash our hands again, because we don't want to be reaching any clothes around here, okay? No towels, nothing. And I'm just going to finish off my routine with the Great Body Lip Balm, which you saw in my nighttime updated skincare video. Here you go. Just smooth on a little bit of that. We are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what your current morning skincare routine is. And as always, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. And if you really enjoy these videos, make sure to tap that notification bell so you can always be updated. Thank you so much again.
This week's comment of the week is from Caesar, and this is a comment on my Aveeno Protect and Hydrate sunscreen review. And the comment is, so you put sunscreen first or moisturizer? I thought this was a good question because I do not apply moisturizer in the morning. I just use my sunscreen as the moisturizer and SPF protection, because I know sometimes the moisturizer will kind of take away the purpose of the SPF because it almost dilutes it in a way, that's from my understanding. But in the morning, I just use SPF, no moisturizer. A lot of sunscreens have moisturizing aspects to them, so I would suggest just to get a moisturizing sunscreen. Thank you so much for this comment.